To change keyboard language on a Nothing phone at 3A, first of all we need to go to Settings, scroll all the way down and choose System, go to Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and then select Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Select Languages, and then we can add a new keyboard language. So over here we're gonna choose one of these languages. So let's say I'm gonna choose, for example, I don't know, like German. And then of course in the case of some languages we also have different variations depending on the region. So choose it, of course, and then we have the option to use different layouts as well. So for example, we have QWERTY, QWERTY, and so on and so forth. So we can set it up here as well. And then we can press done in the bottom right corner once we are done with these settings. Now, if you want to, you can press on this pen icon in the top right corner in order to remove the old language that you don't want to use. So you need to select it by tapping on this box and then press this trash icon in the top right corner. However, if you want to have multiple languages, then you can still switch between these languages. And in order to do that, you will see this globe icon that is highlighting right now. So we can tap on it in order to switch between the different languages. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!